Welcome to Pro Kitchen Online Video Tutorial Series, version 11. This tutorial will show how to use the all-new Texture Randomizer tool to change the grain of any wood finish cabinet individually within your design. The developers at Pro Kitchen Software have created the Texture Randomizer feature, ensuring a real-world effect by having randomly placed wood grain throughout your wood finish designs. If you're not satisfied with the automatic result, use the Texture Randomizer tool to manually change the wood grain on any cabinet until you've reached the desired result. Using the Texture Randomizer is easy. Simply select your cabinet with the left click, then go into the menu and select Randomize Wood. Be sure to have your 3D Live engaged and your cabinets in view while using the Texture Randomizer. The Texture Randomizer works only with version 11's high-resolution finishes. These finishes are currently available in your Pro Kitchen catalog and coming soon to your manufacturer catalogs upon their 2023 annual catalog update. Thank you for visiting Pro Kitchen University. Be sure to visit us at prokitchensoftware.com.